Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure Android 8, 0 or newer, and at least 2 GB of RAM are available because the launcher and ported APKs need resources. Next, enable installation from unknown sources or plan to use ADB. This lets you sideload files safely. Once done, backup current settings to Google or a local image so you can restore if anything breaks. Also, charge the phone above 50% to avoid interruption during large installs. You now install the iOS-style launcher and the iOS settings-themed APKs. Sideload the launcher first, then the settings UI port so the new screen maps correctly. Make sure to grant accessibility, overlay, and notification access when prompted, because those permissions let the control center mimic iOS actions. Once the launcher is active, manually apply the iOS icon pack and place the settings shortcut on the home screen. If permissions were missed, revisit app settings and enable them to unlock full behavior. You finish by polishing layout and testing each settings panel and quick toggle to ensure they behave like iOS. Tweak gesture and animation speeds in launcher settings to match expectations. Make sure to revoke any unnecessary permissions afterward for privacy, and clear app caches if the UI becomes sluggish. If the ported settings crash or misbehave, reinstall the APKs in order or restore your backup image. This usually fixes corrupted installs. One tip: reboot after permission changes to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.